up, guys? What's going on? Today's Saturday. It's about 12 o'clock right now. I'm vlogging off my iPhone. Well, the new iPhone 12. So I think it should be a little bit different. I'm gonna just start recording with my iPhone again, man. It's so simple. My lens is like going crazy, so I need to get a new lens. I don't really want to bother with that right now. And I know how to edit on iMovie and make it look just like Final Cut Pro. So it makes it easy for me. I could do everything within like 15 minutes. So yeah, so let's get this started. Don't really have much planned. Just have to do the return line. I'm gonna make a brand new return line, and that should be it. What I definitely like about the iPhone is the wide angle. I love the wide angle on this thing. It's not that dirty. But the car cover has stuff. Just has some dirt on it, but yeah, this camera's definitely looks really good. Alright, so I'm gonna disconnect the line from here and from right here. And just yeah, make a whole new line. Then this iPhone is good with this wide angle. Yeah, let's get to it. Damn, shit is dripping with oil. Alright, so this is the box that I got for the catch can. And this one has like some fittings. It's supposed to go to the catch can, but I'll buy more fittings and stuff for the catch can. But I'm gonna use this now for my oil pan. I'm gonna use this nylon steel braided line because they probably work better and bend easier. So I'm gonna use these fittings and stuff right now. Let's use this line. And okay. Two more 90s. Got some straights. We gotta, it's still short, but we need like that much. Cause this one, and this is for like gas, it's like gas line, so it's really rough. This one is for oil, so it's softer to bend and easier. Yeah, basically just need half of this. Probably like that much, maybe. Had to run to the 99-cent store, get one of these. Oh, the adjustable wrench. It's not big enough, so I gotta go. You're taking this one, yeah? Pop's grinding it down the hood way. Works. Alright, so this hose here. You do this in one hand. I can't. See, that one's on. So close. Look how close that is, though. Then run another 90, right? What's the other 90? It's a thing. See, it's kind of like at like a weird angle. Yeah, so we're just gonna put it from there, and then just get a straight one. That way it can go straight down and back into the pan. Should be good. Instead of using a 90. I gotta angle it a little bit more, but it's hard to try to do this with one hand. But you guys get what I'm trying to say. All right, so ran into an issue. Obviously, again, what is the Honda? What are running into issues? The fittings, I'm definitely gonna have to change. I put another brand new fitting on it just to see if it'll work. And again, it gets tightened all the way till it can't go no more, but it has still like one thread left on the oil pan. I guess you want to call plug, where you could spin it more. And it still wiggles a little bit, so I don't know. It's all the way. I don't think it was leaking from there. So what I'm gonna do now is put some more oil in it, because from last time oil came out. So I'm gonna put oil in it, drive it around, park it, lift the car up, and see if it starts leaking oil from there again. But for right now, that's what I have to do because of the turbo. And for a few months, I'll leave it like that, because again, I'm doing top mount. Top mount is so easy because literally the turbo sits up here, and then the oil pan is here. So it's literally just one straight line, and that's literally all it is. So that should be way more easier. But I'm gonna grab this battery charge pack and yeah, jump this car, and pray to God this works. If not, I'm gonna have to go to full throttle and maybe get the fittings that don't have thread on the other side. They have thread to thread into like the return on the turbo and like the oil pan. So it's like thread on one side, and on the other side is just plain, where you could just put a hose on top of it and put a clamp. I might have to get one of those. So let's see. Letting it warm up. God. Dude, this fucking camera on this iPhone is fucking amazing, bro. Like, look how crispy. Bro. I'm definitely gonna just keep vlogging off my iPhone, because this is too good. Yeah, letting her warm up. Let's see what else we get. Bad news, doesn't work. Oil is being backed up again. I try to see if it'll be able to work for now, but I'm gonna try to figure something out. It's just the way this line is put, like the return and the oil pan is, the way it's angled, it's not angled good. So I definitely gotta figure this shit out. But the car was smoking like crazy right now, because okay, it's smoking like crazy because obviously the oil was getting backed up and it was coming out through the exhaust. So yeah, gotta make another line. What's going on, y'all? Today's Saturday, and today should be the day that we finally fix this damn return line issue. My dad has this line that already comes like bent a certain way, so we should be good. We're not gonna be using the fittings also. Yeah, you don't mind me. I'm waiting for Thanksgiving to get a haircut. It looks crazy. Yeah. I'm going crazy. We're not gonna use the fittings because when I use the fittings, they take up too much space, and we can't even use the hose because the fittings are too close to each other. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it. All right, so that's how much oil backed up. So now the oil went all on the exhaust, on the turbo. Jesus Christ, because the line was kinked. So I'm gonna take this off and use a different line. Looks like it just, I hope it didn't come out to like there. That'll be fucking really bad, but whatever for now. I'm gonna have to leave the car on and burn all that exhaust, all that oil off. Shit. Alright, so we ended up going with this hose, as you guys already see. See, the hose already comes pre-bent, so there's no kinks in it. Like, hose is really strong, and yeah, we should be good. Like, there's more than enough space now for oil to run through it. As you guys see, this is the pre-bent that it comes with. It comes with this bent already. So it's like, you guys can see, more than enough for oil to flow through. But yeah, we're gonna test it out first and see. This hose is a big hose, way bigger than it was before. So I'm gonna start it and yeah, see how it goes. Well, I'll give you a little up top view. I didn't use nothing, so it's literally we just put the hose on top of the thread and tighten it because they sell this fitting with like no threads here, but we couldn't find it, so it should be fine. And we just use that one. Everything's tight, so let's check it out. All right, putting the battery pack to it again since this car doesn't turn on. And yeah, hopefully we are good. Hopefully the battery pack charged. All right, it charged. All right, it's gonna smoke a lot. All right, we in business. I just gotta let the car basically just burn all that excess oil, I gotta let it burn all that extra oil that I had. As you guys seen, it was coming back up and coming out of the exhaust, so probably gonna smoke for a while. But yeah, my dad's double checking, make sure everything's not leaking. I'm gonna just make sure she warms up and then just be checking underneath the car, checking to see if the return is working, it's not building back up. So hopefully we should be good. You guys can see, look at all the oil burning off. It's less now, but look. See all the oil? All the oil burning off the exhaust and the inside of the turbo. Alright guys, so it's a little bit later. I'm just letting the car warm up right now. It's cold outside, so as you see, I gotta keep my foot on the gas for a long time because I have no thermostat also. But I drove it around, it was good. The smoking stopped a lot. It's still smoking a little bit, like if I really hit it. But so far so good. So I'm gonna head to Hooters Blog, just drive it, cruise it, make sure everything is good. And yeah, we should be good. Just letting it warm up now. Still cold, look at this. No thermostat light. Alright, we good now, I think. I think we good. Nope. I got a Hooters block. I'm about to start this bad bitch up. We're logging off the iPhone. It is what it is. About to go wash our car, so E85 like warming it up for him while he gets ready. Who's washing the shit? You got a hole in it? That's like my hose in the house. I'm not washing this because it's gonna get put away, it's gonna get dirty anyway. Huh?
It's rated X. That means you're extra extraordinary.
wash his car. I didn't wash mine because I'm not going nowhere and it's gonna get dirty anyway. But I'm pretty sure he's going to the races tonight, but it cleans up nice. So far the oil line is good too. I'm gonna try a different, maybe something different. So let's see.